Welcome to Calabero Forecasting. Now we are going to look our MCL software, how to use this MCL software. Okay. So look, before going to that, what are the things is here? I just explained here. We have a live chart support, whatever the stock you choosing from here. After that, here we provided as a weekly trend and daily trend. You can filter how many stocks are in weekly trend. We have a four options, that is buy strong, range bound, sell strong, volatile. And daily trend negative, neutral, positive. So these are the conditions. 7 conditions are weekly 4, daily 3. So in weekly trend I give it an range bound stocks are 31, buy strongs are 34, sell strong is 38, volatile stocks are 50. So now look, volatile stocks are very high. So this week market seems to be highly volatile. We should be very careful this week. Anytime anything will possible. It may be unexpected upside movement also possible, unexpected fall also possible, because of 50 out of 450 stocks are in, that is more than 25% of stocks are in volatile. Okay. So now look, in between the day, I'm recording this video in between the day. So here daily trend is showing 70 stocks, still it is a neutral case. 73 it's become positive, 10 stocks only negative. So trend as of now it is in bullish. Right now it is in bullish case. So this is a normal conclusion before going to the market. Okay, whatever the stocks you are going to buy or sell. So now condition is, this week is a volatile, but as of now market is in bullish condition. Now let us go to the how to use this software. Now I am having a some different condition. So I am just to filter out first volatile. So volatile means condition. If it is volatile, weekly volatile means completely avoid that stock on that particular week. If your favorite stock also, if it is an, it is comes under volatile case, means you should avoid the stock on that week, because volatile means out of 5 days definitely it will hit the your stop loss. Whatever you put the stop loss will trigger again market go to the same direction. That is what volatile. Okay, so volatile stocks we should avoid. After that I am going to choose buy strong. Some stocks are buy strong. Suppose I am selecting some stocks randomly. I am select buy stock, suppose neutral. Now look, I selected Juplin food. So buy strong, but still is a neutral. But you look, M select pivot. I never given any highlighted numbers here. So if buy strong, but week daily condition M select pivot means that also you should avoid the trade. Okay, that is the main condition. M select pivot means you should avoid. That is no number is highlighted here. Suppose you look here buy strong, I highlighted this green color. That means these are buy levels. 3109 sell. So buy means I highlighted with green color, red means I highlighted with red color. That is sell means I highlighted with red color. So the color which are not highlighted means that are the target point. So 3193 if you buy, 3221 is a target, just like that. Okay, this is buy strong neutral. Suppose any other stock, suppose I am taking a ICC Bank. Buy strong, it is a neutral. So now we should buy at 644.5 or 625. Both are buy. So which is the least buy means 625 is the least buy. Choose 625 to least buy. To select a least one, because still is a neutral, but which is the lowest buy. So wait till that level. Once it get near to 625, you try to buy. That is what buy strong. Okay. So that is, we have a 2 to 3 buy or sell levels, but we should choose at least buy. After that, buy strong, but trend is a negative. So now, for example, I choose here Bajaj Finance. So Bajaj Finance, it is actually weekly buy strong, but market is moving against the trend. So that means you just select, just look at that. 5720 also sell, 5777 also sell. So which is the least, which is the best sell means 5777 is the best sell. Suppose you look here. Suppose if you sold at 5777 morning itself, we can get a good target here. So that is what a best sell. 5796 we keep the stop loss. We go best, better you go to sell instead of selling at 5720, 5777 selling is a best opportunity. So in this case you can, whatever the case, you try to select at least which is the best price that you have to select. Next, suppose you look Cummins India, buy strong, weekly buy strong, daily weekly also buy strong, daily also positive. Now you look 806 also buy, 820 also buy. So now look, suppose morning you look, there is no need to wait because weekly trend also both are saying a buying. So 820 you can put some minimum quantity. So 806 if you get you can put maximum quantity. So 820 also we can buy because of both are in same direction. Now morning, suppose you look, morning low is 815. So we didn't get 806 but 820 we got it. It moved up. Look at the high 844, 843, but 841 is a MCL. So major rule this MCL software is, MCL means reverse trade. Whatever the stocks you are having, suppose market is going up in resistance level, if MCL reach you can sell, support level MCL reach you can buy. That is major rule. Keep note down this rule. When market is hit resistance level, any of this level is MCL means if it hit that MCL you can go sell blindly, you can go sell, keep the stop loss next level. If market is falling down, if any number is MCL number, then blindly buy, keep the next level as a stop loss. So now you look, market is a positive, even though this MCL hit, market came down more than 15 rupees, it came down. So that is what MCL software. Okay, MCL software means it going to indicate where it getting reverse, right? So that is buy strong. We are look some conditions. Now we go to look sell strong. So sell strong, some of stocks are still suppose neutral. First I choose neutral. So sell strong, it is a neutral. So I am giving a two levels, 5777 also sell, 565 also sell. Morning you look, almost today here open 577 somewhere else, 568, 516, 577 not hit triggered. Okay, 1 hour chart, you give the 1 hour chart. This is the level. Morning, okay, morning it not, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is yesterday, today level 572 only, today high maximum. So now what I'm saying now, 565 we can choose as a sell because sell strong. 577 also we can sell, 565 also we can sell because of neutral. So if you sold at 565 you get a decent profit, more than 10 rupees profit you will get. So this is sell strong neutral. Suppose sell strong positive, how to deal that? Or firma sell strong but market is showing a positive, that is, you see, I am giving a awareness to all. If it is going against the trend, we should be very carefully deal. Okay, so 577 also buy, 561 also buy, which is the best buy means 977 also buy, 961 also buy, which is the best buy means 961. Now look, 961 it is nothing is happened. If you hold till the end day, 2 rupees only down, but it moved against the trend. So if any stock moving against the trend means we should avoid that. That is also weekly volatile also we should avoid, daily volatile also avoid. If it going against the trend means try to do at best price. I am giving a two prices, in that 961 you choose, it is the best price. Okay, this is sell strong positive and sell strong negative. So there is no big one, only one stock is a negative, NMDC, but there is no volatility. NMDC no such good volatile. Sell strong negative. See, these stocks are because intraday stocks you choose up volatile stocks, then only we can able to make some money. Sell strong negative means we can choose whatever the suppose 179, 179 also sell, 166 also sell. So 179 if we get, we can sell. Suppose we get a 1 or 2 rupees profit, we maybe get here. So we can keep the selling opportunity, we avoid the buying opportunity. What I'm saying, sell strong trend also negative means try to choose selling opportunity, avoid the buying opportunity. If 169 if you get, you should avoid it. Okay, that is the thing. After that, volatile stock, range bound stocks. Range bound stocks means it's not a clear direction. Okay, so we should wait for the direction. What I'm saying, wait for the direction. Whether sell level triggered means go sell, buy level triggered means go buy. That is simple. So here the rule is, volatile stocks you should avoid. Range bound stocks, it is still not getting any direction, so choose range bound stocks or neutral stocks. What I'm gonna, it might be range bound or buy strong, some of stocks are still neutral. Okay, so look at this, buy strong but still is lot of stocks are neutral. That means still it is not getting any direction. So some of stocks will give a direction on Monday itself, some of stocks will Tuesday, some of stocks will Wednesday. So it depends upon the stock, the direction will change particular day. Okay, so now most preferably you can filter here. If you want to market trend is a buy trend, go to which are the stocks are buy strong. After this buy strong, which are the neutral stocks, you select the neutral stocks. You select the stocks from this list, just click the Coal India or Davis, whatever you want, you can click that. Levels will plot, just to follow the levels. Okay, simply. So wherever, suppose you look daily, it's a buy strong, neutral, MCL at pivot. So no, I never highlighted anything. That means that stock daily also it's volatile, we should avoid that. Okay, just like that. HDFC AMC, so uh, buy strong, neutral. So now 3053 also sell, 3081 also sell. So morning if you look, 3081, this is yesterday. Now look, it went down 3029 below sell triggered, it went down 3025. MCL means buy. Suppose if you buy 3 to 4 rupees, it's a profit also. Sell side also profit, buy side if you hold till the end, you should be in small profit. So this is what MCL software. So simply follow this. Wherever the highlighted red color is a sell, wherever highlighted is a green is a buy. 2 to 3 highlights green means which is the best buy, which is the best sell. You choose that. You can trade on that, because 3011 also sell, 3053 also sell. So 3053 sell, you can choose. 3025 also buy, 3081 also buy, 3025 you can choose. Which is the best, you can choose. Definitely you should be in profit, I promise this. You never ever make loss if you follow exactly whatever I explained here as of now. If you follow that, you should be in profit. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts, just come to my WhatsApp. We will explain it. Okay, all the details are in my www.tamilchandai.in. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.